Well, I know you're in Russia. I can't pronounce your name. I'm going to call you Aya, I think. So I've got one of those cards right here. You were asking about the 1000 VL. This is my test bay. So I'm going to insert it in here and come back around here on the other side. Attach the video cable. Leads up to that monitor right there. Right, I'm going to hit the power switch. We'll see what comes up on the screen. And you see there, pretty good. No pixels or anything gathering around. 1 megabyte display memory, 1000 GUI VGA ARK Logic. So this is the very video card that I'll send you. So I'll hold this one for you. There, serial number 505-13172. And that's what it looks like on that side. That's what it looks right there. I've sold all the ones that had manuals and everything, so this one doesn't. So this is all I'm going to be sending right here, just this card.